Namaskara, my divine family, and welcome to Panch Portal, a weekly reading which will help you define and navigate through this week in 5 areas of your life: spirituality, finance, business and work, your personal relationships, and your personal health. Hi, I'm Shweta, and I'm a Mokshpat trainer and expert. And today, I bring to you this beautiful program created by the eternal learners of transcending beliefs.
Hello, Namaste everyone. Lakshita here. Today we'll explore health and well-being for June 17th to 23rd using the ancient wisdom of Mokshapattam board. Health reading using lunar plane on Mokshapattam board would likely involve accessing the balance of feminine energy in relation to your overall health. Imagine a wellspring of energy is within you. This energy, often connected to moon and tides, it's your feminine side. It's about intuition, creativity, and nurturing yourself. When it flows freely, you feel emotionally balanced and radiant. Engaging in activities like meditation, ho'oponopono, singing, chanting, or even dancing also can help you. Just listen to your inner voice, your intuition, and see what resonates within you. Embrace this beautiful part of yourself. Let your feminine side blossom and watch your overall health flourish. Remember, true well being comes from within. Rejoice in your femininity and let your inner light shine. Signing off for now. Stay connected. Thank you.
Namaskar, my dear soul family. This is Maushmi here. I'm from Pune and I'm a naturopath, I'm a psychologist, I'm a healer. और आज मैं बात करना चाहूँगी ऑल अबाउट आवर रिलेशनशिप्स फ्रॉम द डेट जून 17 से जून 23 के लिए और इट्स ऑल अबाउट द रिलेशनशिप. द बोर्ड इज गाइडिंग मी टुवर्ड्स द वाइब्रेशन ऑफ कि अगर आप इस टाइम पे आपको ऐसा फील हो रहा है कि जिस रिलेशनशिप में आप हो या जिन लोगों के साथ आप काम कर रहे हो साथ में हो, स्पेसिफिकली जिस रिलेशनशिप में आपको अगर ऐसा लग रहा है दैट देयर इज सम प्रॉब्लम दैट इज गोइंग ऑन, you just need to go and check your intention ki why in the very first place you have started this relationship with this person. See the intention behind कि आप इस relationship को क्यों किस लिए किस तरीके से start किया था, and if it is a good intention your body your mind is absolutely know about it. So if there is something lacking then go and work on it. तो आपका ये जो relationship issue है, जो relationship problem कर रहा है, ये चीज धीरे धीरे solve हो जाएगी और आपको जब पता चलेगा कि द वेरी मोमेंट व्हेन यू स्टार्टेड दिस रिलेशनशिप और आज में क्या डिफरेंसेस व्हाट यू आर लैकिंग ऑफ एंड व्हाट आर द स्पार्क्स दैट यू आर मिसिंग ऑन. आप उसके ऊपर जब काम करोगे तो ओवरऑल ये रिलेशनशिप के ऊपर बहुत अच्छे से काम करेगा. एंड द गाइडेंस इज कि डोंट लिसन टू द पीपल हु आर लाइक नेगेटिवली पुटिंग their judgments and their things in this relationships या आपके एरिया ऑफ रिलेशनशिप में. आप उन लोगों की चीजें सुनना कम कर दीजिए. यूज योर विजडम, यूज योर फीलिंग्स. आप अपने हार्ट स्पेस में जाके अपने आप चेक कीजिए दैट व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज गाइडिंग यू, कि आप इस रिलेशनशिप पे क्या एफर्ट डालना चाहोगे, किस तरीके का एफर्ट डालना चाहोगे और आप इस रिलेशनशिप को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए आप खुद से क्या करना चाहते हो. तो आपके लिए ये पूरा वीक बहुत अच्छे से गाइडेंस के साथ अगर आपने काम किया तो ये बहुत अच्छे से आपको हेल्प मिलेगा आपके रिलेशनशिप को सही रास्ते पे लाने के लिए. नमस्कार एंड थैंक यू.
We're now halfway through this week's weekly reading. And before we move on, let me tell you one little secret about Mokshapat. If you've ever wished for a friend or a guide in your life who will always guide you on the right track to success, prosperity, spirituality, and growth, then Mokshpat will be that friend for you. Now, let's move ahead and watch the rest of the reading.
Namaste. I'm Shashi Sethi, your devoted Mokshpata reader and trainer, bringing you the cosmic guidance for the week of 17 to 23rd June 2024 in relation to spirituality. The reading for this week is that you can reach spiritual heights through any habit or lifestyle that takes you to cosmic good in alignment with universal laws and rhythm of the world. Like when you're aligned to nature and are following the patterns which are for the universal good, you can do all that if you follow some disciplined lifestyle changes which will enhance your own spirituality. For then, you will be vibrating on the same frequency. When your food is organic and pure, it will add on to your intuitive powers. When you help the planet by not exploiting it and avoiding to add more chaos to it, the nature's rewards would be bountiful. On personal level, when you choose to have pure thoughts and indulge in good actions, it will surely lead to your growth and evolvement in the field of spirituality. The Mokshpata guides us to follow the universal laws and create the right environment, setting the right timetable, walking the right path, going within to ponder life's goals, and follow rules and regulations for cosmic good. Let go of any past beliefs and patterns, and you will see a new spiritual path unfolding before you. Signing off, this is Shashi Sethi. Stay tuned in for more updates.
Namaste, Divine Soul. I, Alpa, welcome you all on Punch Portal weekly reading for the period of 17 June to 23rd June 2024 regarding business. Mokshpath board seems to emphasize the importance of dedication and diligence in business commitments to your duty, and the quality of your work can significantly impact on the expansion of your business. It's a favorable time to explore new opportunities, delegate responsibilities, recruit staff, and engage in constructive dealings with clients. This period offers a productive environment for making decisions, whether it's about scaling up production or exploring new avenues for growth. Stay focused and dedicated to your business goals, as your efforts now can pay the way for greater success in the future. Thank you. Have a great week ahead. Stay tuned till next week.
Namaste. Mokshpatam is a reliable divination tool that has revealed insights about your financial journey for the week 17th to 23rd of June. The board has revealed a positive situation. If you are thinking to take control of your finances, then turn your thoughts into actions. As money is like emotions, it is something you must control to keep your life on the right track. As finance is not merely making money, it's about achieving our deep goals and protecting the fruits of our labor. Setting goals is the first step in turning the invisible into the visible. Goals are like magnet. They will attract the right things that make them come true. Find a way to do more for others. Do more, give more, be more, serve more, and you will have the opportunity to earn more. But beware of little expenses. A small leak will sink a great ship. Namaste.
That is all for this week. And I hope that this week's reading helps you create a week full of excitement, success, and growth. For more such videos and information, follow and subscribe our channel. And if you have a problem in your life, don't forget to DM us. I will definitely wait for your query and revert back to you. Thank you, and see you all next week once again.